Buona giornata and welcome to my channel. So today I already went to work, so I'm a little weird because I've been up since 4 a.m. But I did run out to Sephora and grab the new Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. So I have her other two, so I'll definitely do comparisons side by side. I'll do a quick lip swatch of each one. That way you guys can see what they're, because sometimes swatching the hand you can't really tell. So I'll show you guys both. And yeah, I love the other two, so I'm assuming I'm gonna love this one. I don't think they changed anything with it. So it's just a pretty light pink, matches my background. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to do that. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. Hit these like buttons if you like these quick reviews. And I'm done with my spiel. Let's get into this video. All right, if you guys see brown marks everywhere, like on my face, my hands, I'm too lazy to go to a salon, so I dye my own hair, and I'm really careful for the first 10 minutes, and then I lose patience, and I dye my ears, generally, and half my neck. It just gets everywhere, but it's fine. It's only $8, you know? So, I can't sit underneath one of those thingies. I can't do it. Alright, so Fussy is this light pink. This is what the packaging, same packaging as all the rest of them. Ooh. That came out a lot. A lot went on the floor. Okay. Well, that's fun to clean out the carpets. It's okay. I'm still super excited. So one of the things I love about her formula, it is the most hydrating thing ever. Like, I would say this and Dose of Colors are my favorite, like, lip gloss formulas. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It smells freaking good. I don't think the other ones smell like this. This one almost has like a strawberry type scent, where I think the other ones are more like a vanilla, like a sugar type scent, where this one's like, it's good. Obviously it's not like super overpowering. I love how we smell products, but we're like, it doesn't, you know, you don't actually smell like it, but I like it. As far as the shade goes, I mean, it's not like a super pink like it is in the bottle. I would say it's a nice like sheen, you know, like a normal gloss is. I would say though, it really depends on you if you like the color. I love this color, but I love the formulas in general. Like, I love all three of these things. So, one, I can put these on no matter what, any day, because they're so nice and hydrating that my lips can literally be cracked as shit, and it's fine. You know what I mean? So, these are the three shades next to each other. So this is the new one, this is the original one, and then this is the milk one. So I would say if you're someone who just wants to layer like a nice gloss on top of lipsticks, this is just a nice clear shade with like glitter. Whereas these ones both have like a little tint. This one is more nude, which is just the Fenty Glow. And then obviously this one has a pink sheen. So preference, I don't care which one you get, but you should definitely get one because they are amazing if you have not tried them. I can't wait till she comes out with like a peach shade. That I will buy in a heartbeat. I'm a very peachy gal. So, let me go ahead. Let's try. I'm trying to see if you guys can really see that it's a pink shift. Not as much. I mean, there's not really much to say about glosses. They're glosses. I will try on this one. No. Let's go with this one, see if there's any difference in color. I think there is, though. Like, this is definitely a little bit more pinky, where this is going to be more nude, so I'll just swatch it right after so you guys can kind of see. Okay, so this is just the normal milk one. Like I said, you can't really, I would say if you're really close up you can tell a difference, but is it like absolutely necessary to go out and get the pink one? Like, is it super different? Not really. You know what I mean? I don't mind because I absolutely love this formula and it's totally fine. But if you're thinking like it's going to be a whole different like look, it's not a lipstick. You know what I mean? It's a gloss, it's a sheen, so. Still a gorgeous color, still gonna wear it, definitely keeping it. Happy I got it. Perfect for a Christmas present for someone, you know? I gotta stop buying Christmas presents for myself. But yeah, I'm overall really happy. I'm gonna add a liner and just see what it looks like over something else. All right, so I put some lip liner on. We're gonna use this Creep It Real from Kylie. It's just a pretty nude, and then we'll layer this on top, just to see if it looks any different than the other ones. Like butter. yeah, so it does give that nice pinky sheen. I would just say, like I said, they're glosses. They're not, you know, super opaque or anything like that. But if you guys were just wondering as far as what they look like and differences, I will show you a swatch on the back of my hand real quick. All right, so that is the swatch of all three. That is the Milk one, the new one, Fussy, and the Fenty Balm. So I personally love the Fenty Balm over the Milk one. The Milk one's nice when I don't know, I can't pick a favorite actually. I wear them all the time. So I probably do wear the Fenty Balm more though. I like it over nudes, but this is really nice over a nude color. All right guys, that is it. It's just a quick review of the lip gloss. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking it up. Which shade is your favorite? What shade do you want her to come out with? I want peach. Ooh, usually there's two, so that's good. It's just one. I want a peach shade though, and some nudes because I can always get more nudes, like all the time. So I am done now. I need to go wipe my nose. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.